How to amend a tax return on TaxAct. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and head over to taxact.com. Now over here, you want to click on the sign in option. Then you will have to enter your username. Once that is done, enter your password and then click on agree and sign in option below. Once you click on that option, you will be logged into your account. Before you start amending your tax return, gather all the necessary information and documents related to changes you need to make. This may include your original tax return, any supporting documents, and information about the changes you need to make. Now find the original tax return you filed using TaxAct. Now click on the Amend Return option to begin the amendment process. TaxAct will guide you throughout the process of making changes to your tax return. Follow the on-screen prompt to enter the corrected information for the items you need to amend. Once you have entered all the necessary information, review your amended return carefully to ensure accuracy. Double-check all the information you have entered. After reviewing your amended return, follow the prompts to complete the amendment process. Depending on the changes you are making, you may need to print out your amended return and mail it to IRS. TaxAct should provide you instructions on whether you need to mail anything and where to send it. After submitting your amended return, keep track of its status. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.